I like working at Concept Systems because the culture is the culture I've been striving to find since I started in my career. It's about having fun, it's about working hard, and also making sure that we're helping customers.
Culture is very important to us, and it's something that as we grow, we've worked really hard to preserve the good pieces of and improve on the pieces that we've wanted to.
And we lean on each other so that we're not spinning our wheels looking for answers. We run into a technical challenge, we're calling on our peers to help look at it, help solve a problem.
You're able to work with people that have your similar levels of experience, but also learn from those that know exactly what they're doing and have seen this over and over and over.
I like working at Concept because of the diversity and the many different challenges I get to work with. It's a great core group of people. Everybody tries to help each other out.
The people are amazing. There's nothing more enjoyable than coming to work every day and working with the people that are here. They're talented, they're smart, they're kind, they're generous.
I was a customer before I become an employee. The culture that was shown to me when I was a customer, it was like, I want to work for these guys. I had an opportunity and here I am.
I feel like working here is great because we all support each other really well, and management is always behind us, and overall it's a good group of people to work with.
I've worked a lot of different places, and this is the most collaborative place I've ever been.
Because of the culture at Concept, I think we have a great group of people that can accomplish anything if they want to.